In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change template on Wix. Whether you're just starting out with your website or looking for a fresh design, switching to a new template can give your site a completely different look and feel. Wix makes it easy to explore and customize templates, so you can create a site that truly reflects your style and goals. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make the change smoothly and confidently. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. This will take you directly to your Wix dashboard, which is essentially the control center for all your websites. If you don't remember your login details, make sure you have them handy before starting. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all the tools and features for managing your site are located. Next, look for the name of your current site. You'll find this in the top left corner of the dashboard. It's important to note that this is where Wix displays the website you're currently working on. Click on the name of your site, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll need to select Go to All Sites. This option takes you to a page where you can view all the websites you've created under your account. It's a helpful way to manage multiple projects or start fresh with a new one. Now on the All Sites page, look for the button that says Create New Site and click on it. This is where the fun begins, as it allows you to start building a brand new site from scratch. Keep in mind that Wix doesn't allow you to directly switch templates on an existing site, which is why creating a new site is necessary if you want to work with a different template. After clicking Create New Site, Wix will guide you through the process of choosing a new template. Take your time browsing through the available options. Wix offers a wide variety of templates tailored to different purposes, like business, blogs, portfolios, and online stores. As you explore, think about your brand, content, and goals for the site. Choose a template that best matches your vision, because this will form the foundation for your new website. Once you've selected your template, Wix will lead you through the setup process. Here's where you can start customizing and building your new site. Wix's user-friendly interface makes this part intuitive and straightforward. You'll be able to add your site's name, choose any additional features you need, and begin tailoring the template to suit your specific needs. Now it's time to modify your site. Use Wix's editing tools to adjust the text, replace images, and tweak the layout. This is your chance to make the design your own. For example, you can update the colors to align with your brand, upload high-quality images, and write compelling content to engage your audience. Wix's drag-and-drop editor gives you a lot of flexibility, so experiment with different elements until you're satisfied with the way your site looks and functions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a brand new site with a fresh template. Remember, while changing templates on Wix requires starting a new site, the process is a great opportunity to rethink your design and improve the overall user experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.